Hello friends, welcome to brand new tutorial of Learn Code with Sankalp. In today's tutorial, we have discussed about Feign Client in Spring Boot microservice architecture. Here we have creating one Spring Boot application and we have communication between the Spring Boot application by using Feign Client. Either we have using the HTTP client or OK HTTP client. Okay, this is legacy approach. In microservice architecture, we have not to take practice to use this REST template or HTTP client approach. We have to use the Feign client because it is eliminate the boilerplate code. It is fast. Okay, and if you new in this channel, then please subscribe my channel and please bell icon. In every project, microservices architecture is a very big challenge. Means we have to communication of the microservice is very big challenge. Then we have using the HTTP or OK HTTP client or REST template. It will be the very difficult to handle the various scenario and various methods. So we have using the Feign client. For understanding the Feign client, I have created one slideshow. So learn this. Okay. Then first question in our mind is what is Feign client? Okay. Feign client is a declarative web service client developed by the Netflix. Netflix is developing the Feign client. Okay. And it is a declarative web service. Means like OK HTTP client or REST template. It is the same like that, but it will be very advanced level. Okay. And second point will be that it simplifies HTTP API calls between the microservices. Okay, it simplifies HTTP API calls. Means we have to write for REST template or request template client. We have the making the connection, or we have to various steps for the make the connection. It will be we eliminate that steps and it will be very easy. Okay, it is part of Spring Cloud ecosystem. This is the part of Spring Cloud ecosystem. Means we have to add the Spring Cloud dependency for that. It helps. I have already told it helps to eliminate the boilerplate REST client code. Example REST template. Okay. Then second will be the benefit of using Feign client. Okay, it's a declarative REST client just to create an interface. We have not any writing any utility code or not any writing the any extra code for that using. We have create some simple interface and we have implement that methods in the interface. Okay, second point will be that built-in support or load balancing. And third point will be that integrate with the Eureka, Hysteresis and OpenFlame and cleaner code and easy maintenance. This is the fourth benefit of the Feign client. Then simple Feign client code. Okay, then we have to create the one interface of Feign client like this, and then we have to using the @Feign client annotation. We have using the annotation of the Feign client and use give the name of the Feign client. And by using this method inside the interface, we are using the Feign client. Okay, and for Feign client setup, we have to add this dependency in the Feign client, and we have to add the annotation at the main class. This is the enough base. This is the simple story of Feign client. Okay, then we have already created two microservices. This is the hotel microservices, and this is the customer microservices. Okay, then we have to adding the means we have to communication between these microservices. But currently we have communication between the two microservices by using REST client. Firstly, I will explain the microservice structure. Okay. Then firstly, we have creating this hotel microservices. Here, hotel microservices we have two simple microservices, guys, and any not any fancy in that microservices. We have main class. Inside main class, we have to add this annotation. This is annotation is not required, guys, today. Okay, guys, this is our main class. Okay, in Hotel microservice. Okay, then here we have writing the simple logic. We have creating one controller, and inside controller we have giving the at class level annotation like at the rate request mapping, and we have giving the like this. This is the hotels APIs. Okay, then here we can getting the three methods like get all hotels, get hotel by ID, and give the rating. Okay, here we are giving the rating. Okay, this is a path two path variable, and we have here giving the rating. Okay, and in the set the service layer, we have service layer. Inside service layer, we have to using the means inside service layer we have not using the any database or any uh, third party third party database like PostgreSQL or MySQL. We have using the our JSON one JSON payload. We have getting the data from the JSON. For that we have getting the hotels.json, and inside hotel.json we have getting the data, all data. Okay, and inside hotel.json we have preparing one the JSON file. Okay, this is the JSON file, guys. And inside the entity, we have creating the entity class, and we have giving the Lombok connotation for the getter, setter, and methods. Okay, and here we can you have your field like ID, hotel name, hotel address, and hotel rating. Okay, and these endpoints we have to call from our customer microservice. Means our hotel microservice we have APIs, bunch of APIs, and that hotel API we have calling from the customer microservice. And we have created another microservice like customer microservice. Okay, this is our customer microservice, guys. For customer microservice, we have this the main class of the customer microservice, and then we have to using the customer controller. Okay, same like our hotel controller. Okay, and then we have to create the gate mapping, gate mapping, post mapping like that. And the hotel service, we have to inside the from the hotel service, we have calling the our third party API for the hotels hotels microservice. Okay, this is the our another microservice API, and here we can calling by the using REST template. Okay, this is our REST template method, guys. Then we have to inside REST template we have to create in the boilerplate code like REST template get for object. Get for all hotels and getting the like this is the logic we have to write in, this is the logic we have to written, this is the very bulky code, guys. Inside the small project it will be not bulky, but inside the industry level project this is very bulky, guys. So we have using the pen client. Okay, this is the we are using the REST template. Okay, then we have to eliminate that code. Okay, here you can also creating one hotel entity. Okay, and application property file we have to setting the port and the application name. Okay, then we have to run these two project. We have running the first run the hotel microservice. Okay, and then we have to run the our customer microservice. Okay, this is running, guys. I think customer microservice is running and hotel microservice is also running. Okay, then okay, our customer microservice also running. Okay, our hotel microservice is running on port 8080. Okay, and our customer microservice is running on port 9090. Okay, then we have to hit the our customer microservice API. Okay, then here the postman collection, and here we have to port 9090, and we have getting the hitting the customer microservice API. Okay, then we have to first request like get all hotels. Okay, we have getting all hotels, and next API will be that we have getting from the ID. Okay, then we have to ID like 2. We are getting 2 number of hotel. We have getting the ID of 1. Then we have to hitting the idea one idea of hotel. Okay, this is the rating, this is the hotel name, hotel address, hotel name. Okay, and then this is the one for one rating we have to 4 rating. Okay, then we have to change the rating to the 10. Okay, change the rating to 10. Then we have rating added successfully, and then we have to get the rating to the one microservice. It will be 10. Okay, and we have getting the 10 rating is lip rating, guys. Okay, this is the okay, guys, this is our customer microservice, and we have integrate two micro communication of two microservices using the REST template. Okay, then here we can add the we are not using the REST template. Here we can adding the we have using the thin client. Okay, and then we have creating one thin client interface. Firstly, we have add the dependency to com.xml file. Here we can add the dependency like here we can add the dependency of thin client. Okay, here we have the dependency of Feign Client. Okay, this is the dependency of Feign Client, and here we have Spring Cloud dependency management we have to add, and here we can add the Spring Cloud version. Okay, and then we have to create one interface, new interface. Okay, and Feign Client service. Okay, this is Feign Client service, guys, and here you can add the annotation like Feign Client name like customer service and URL we have giving like same like that. Okay, same like that URL we have giving here. Okay, and same like that, guys. We have to add the all things will be that we have adding here, guys, like the controller layer. Okay, here we can adding the like this, get all hotels like this. We have adding like hotel microservice. Okay, here we can adding the same thing like this to the customer microservice. Okay, and we have the client microservice here. The we have not copied this. We have okay, and here we can the comment this. Okay, and here we have to import the class of hotel. Okay, and here we can make the some changes. Yes, we have added this to the our Feign client. Okay, then what is the error which will be showing? Here we have error like this is curly bracket here. Okay, and that's all, guys. No any logic like boilerplate code or no any extra logic we have to build in this project, guys. That's all, guys. Then here we can making some changes. We have to comment out the rest template, guys. We have to get in this. We have to okay, and they have to auto wire the Feign client service. Okay, and here we can giving the Feign client service dot get all hotels, and here we can create one local variable, and we have written the list of hotel, and we have to return all hotels. Okay, that's all. Okay, and then here also we have to call the Feign client service. Okay, Feign client dot get hotel by ID, and here you can pass the hotel ID, and it will be return the no. This is the getting one ID, and here we can the introduce vehicle variable hotel, optional hotel, and return hotel by ID dot get. Okay, then here we can also pass like same like Feign client dot rating update rating. Okay, and here we can pass the ID and rating, and here we can the and return the direct return. No, direct return will be not visible. We have written the by using local variable. Okay, return dot get body. Okay, that's all, guys. We have added the here. What is the issue? Okay, that's all, guys. Here we can added the getting the we have adding the all these things and all these things looks good. Okay, and then we have to add the annotation at the main class. Okay, enable Feign clients. Okay, and we have saved this, and we have run firstly reload our project, reload our project, and then we have to inside the hotel service we have to add the annotation for the main class like at the rate enable. We have not added the annotation here. Okay, and we have to add the annotation here, enable Feign client here annotation, same like our customer microservice. We have annotation like enable Feign client here. Okay, in hotel microservice. Okay, and then we have to add the Spring Cloud version also inside the hotel microservice. Spring Cloud version is already there. Okay, then here we can reload our project, and we have to start our project. Okay, stop and rerun. Okay, our hotel microservice is running. Okay, this is giving the one error. Okay, Spring Cloud Feign client undefined and expected. Okay, okay, here we have enable Feign client annotation. Okay, and we have run our project. Okay, our project is running. Our project is running on port 8080. Okay, our hotel microservice is running on port 8080, and then our customer microservice is also we have run our customer microservice. Okay, our customer microservice is also running in port 9090. Okay, then our two microservices is running. Then we have to check that our pen client is working or not. Okay, then we have to endpoint same endpoint. We are hitting. Okay, our customer microservice is working fine. I mean, we have using integrated Feign client. It is working fine. Okay, we have getting all hotels, and we have getting by hotel by ID. Then okay, we have getting the two number of hotel. Then we have getting the two. Okay, then we have getting the second number of hotel. Okay, this is all rating is two. We have getting give rating is like five. Okay, then we have to like two, and here we have giving the five, five. Okay, and we have hit this rating added successfully. Okay, and then we have to get the hotel. This is five rating, and we have to give the rating of three. Then it will be replicated as three, and getting all hotels. The second number of hotel rating is three. Okay, that's all, guys. We have integrating the Feign client in the our microservice architecture, guys. This is very simple, guys. We have to add one dependency, add one create one interface, give the annotation like Feign client, give the URL, and we have to ready to go. Means we have not writing any boilerplate code or anything of that. Okay. If you like my video, then please subscribe my channel and please bell icon. Okay, guys. Thank you. Bye.